Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have this beautiful song from BREE Runway featuring STORMZY, and this song is called Pick Your Poison. So, we will look at this melody going on here. So, yeah, we'll not use any chords in this normal way we usually do with strumming patterns and so, but I can just mention that the chords are used here. It's E minor, D and C mostly, and then even A minor and B minor. But yeah, that's just the base for this melody, you can say. So we'll take a look at how you play these parts here. First, we just start with the capo set on first fret. All right, so we'll start with the main melody for this one. And the chord progression there that goes in the background is E minor, D, and C. So the E minor part goes like this. Okay. And first I'm gonna give you just this, yeah, straightforward notes, and you can develop this into much more than just these notes. This is just like a skeleton, and you can build your body around these notes. Okay, so the E minor part was open E in the bass, then open G, third on E top string, and you slide up to the fifth E, same string, and you land on the second fret, still the same E string. So that's the E minor part. Then comes the D part, goes like this. So that is the open D string, second G, second E string top, third fret E string, and open E string. And then you have the final chord, the C, goes just like this. So that is third fret A string, and then open E string. And that is pretty much it. You can go with this almost through the entire song. So I'm gonna play through for you slowly so you understand what we have learned so far. And then a longer pause, and then again. Alright. And that is what's going on mostly in this song. And then you have like a pre-chorus that builds up for the chorus that goes again in the same way as the thing we just learned here. But the pre-chorus goes pretty much in the same way when it comes to the melody, but the bass is a little bit different. This is where the A minor and B minor or B variation here comes in. So this part goes like this. Okay, so it's based upon now the A minor, so that means we're gonna play the open A string, and then second G, and then comes the same here, third fret E string, slide up to fifth, and play the second fret E string. So that's the A minor part. Then you play the B minor or B part here. So that is second fret A string now. Then open B string. Then second fret E string. Third fret E string. And that's it for the B part. And then you land on the C, and this time you play third fret on A string in the same way, but you end with the third fret on E string as well. So the C was just third A and third E. So one round of each part here goes like this. And the pre-chorus part was, sorry, yeah, there you have both ways. Now, this is just, like I said, simple notes, and if I would play this, and if you listen to the song, there are many more notes than just this, but it's based around these notes, okay? So you could play, if you use the chords here, or if you just play freely from the fretboard when you hold these different grips here, you can add more notes to it. So just a quick run through here from the chords. The E minor is the open E, second A, second D, and open G, open B, open D. The D chord is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the C is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. These three chords helps when you play this, because if you hold the chords and play these notes we learned so far, you can add many more notes from this actual chord, and you will sound very good for this melody here. So one example of that is and I could have more practice before this, more than 5 minutes. But anyway, yeah, that is how you can build up this melody and give it some more color to it. So anyway, this is the basic for BREE Runways and STORMZY's Pick Your Poison. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumb up. And until next time, we say, like usually, play tuned.